Hello my friends, it's ANIGOES again. Today, again, it's toy reviews, so let's start. The first, it's a dinosaur. You can see how it's big and wide. He has some things in his back. Yeah. Oh, look at him. He is really big and strong, as you can see, my friends. So, as we start, please like the video and leave this comments, please. So, as you can see here, it's Siren Head. Siren Head is really big and tall. He has some two things in his head. I don't know what it is. So it's like mini dinosaur. As you can see, here is this dog video, and look at him. His voice is really scary. Oh, that's my favorite toy. It's Spider-Man. Oh, what the? Yeah, look at him. Oh, he's flying. He's swinging and flying. He never disappoints us. He's a hero that will be in our hearts forever, yeah, my friends. And next is Stegosaurus, as you can see. It's really big and he has some things also in his back. So I will put in the box, and the next toy it will be T-Rex, not T-Rex, it's dinosaur also. As you can see, he has strong thing in his head. I see it's really strong. So the next toy is, as you can see, we have showed it the last toy. It seems like it looks like previous one. Oh, two of the toys. Yeah. Always bringing back memories when I usually see them on the TV. It's Lada and Donatella. And the next toy it's Whiz. It's an old dinosaur. Whiz, his really tall neck, and his back also one, as you can see. So the next toy, it looks like the previous one. Yes. So never disappoint us. This toy, it's blue, and I like it. It also looks like the previous one, as you can see. Please, if you like this, please leave the comments and please like the video, because it's important. And look at this, they are like bright, a lot of them. And the next toy is also Siren Head, but I don't know is he Siren Head or not, because it looks like Siren Head, so that's why I called him like this. And the next toy is, as you can see, yeah, no way. And the next toy is T-Rex, yeah. They are fighting. Not a surprise. T-Rex is always fight. T-Rex always fights with someone, and he also eats a lot of meat. The next toy is Hulk. It's Captain America, and he's just talking with him. Hulk is destroying everything there. No way. The next toy is also Siren Head. I think it's our third silent hill, yes. He's really scary. And the next toy, it was also at the previous one, and he looks really muscular. And the last toy, it will be Batman. Whoa, the red Batman, I think, yes. He's fighting with Batwoman. That's interesting. So, it's the end of the video. Please leave a comment or like the video. Thank you.